what everybody else doing, just cause everybody doing what they all do. If one thing I know, I fall but I grow. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I go home. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see.
Am I tripping for having a vision? My prediction, I'ma be on top of the world. Walking, walking, don't look back. Always do what you decide. Don't let them control your life. That's just how I feel. Oh, fight for yours, so don't let go. Don't let them compare, you know. Don't worry, you're not alone. That's just how we feel.
Am I wrong?
Am I wrong?
For thinking that we could be something for real?
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh,
Now am I wrong
am I wrong?
for trying to reach the things that I can't see?
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see.
If you tell me I'm wrong, wrong, I don't wanna be right, right. If you tell me I'm wrong, wrong, I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, wrong, I don't wanna be right, right. If you tell me I'm wrong, wrong, I don't wanna be right.
Am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? But that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel.
Anders også sagde før, så er det senatsbygningen i Rom. Og den er faktisk næsten identisk med den amerikanske. Fordi at da den blev bygget, der så amerikanerne rigtig meget op til den romerske byggestruktur og den måde de byggede bygningerne på.
Selve bygningen, den blev restaureret i 1935 til 1937. På det tidspunkt fjerner man middelalderagtige.
Vi rører det i gang.
Gang i 1700-tallet blev den faktisk, halvdelen af den blev opdaget. Den øverste del faktisk mest. Det blev opdaget, og det blev faktisk malet på. Så tidselsbuen har den form, som de mange har den normale model, som mange af de triumfurer, der siden der er blevet bygget har.
Blandt andet i Rom. Så hvis man skal ud, og man skal se Rom, så er det klart vigtigt, at man kommer herop, for ligesom også at føle den afslappede stemning, altså ved Rom.
I 44 år før Kristus fødes, der er kejseret Augustus her, og
Museum er en underholdningsarena og blev påbegyndt af kejser Vespasian i år 72, og fuldført af hans søn Titus i år 80. Og arkitekten af Colosseum er ikke blevet fundet, så det er en ukendt.
Santa Maria della Concezione di Cappuccini, også kaldet Santa Maria Kirken eller Knoglekirken. Som I kan se heroppe, så er det en såkaldt barokkirke. Og en barokkirke er en kirke, hvor dens kunst skal vise religiøse temaer og en inddragelse af meget, meget stærke følelser i.
Strong, you can swim inside it. We could string some lights up the hill beside it. Tonight the moon's so bright, you could drive with your headlights out. 'Cause a little bit of summer's what the whole year's all about. You look fine, fine, fine. Put your feet up next to mine. We can watch that waterline get higher and higher. Say, ain't it been some kind of day? You and me been catching on like a wildfire. Just get another, you can drink from mine. We can leave each other, we can dance with the dead. You can rest your head on my shoulder if you wanna get older with me. 'Cause a little bit of summer makes a lot of history. And you look fine, fine, fine. Put your feet up next to mine. And we can watch that waterline get higher and higher. Say, ain't it been some kind of day?
Kapellet er 21 meter højt og 40 meter langt. Og altså nu er det museum heldig lige at se. Og Michelangelo var kunstneren, som udstod loftet. Og det var Julius den anden, som havde bestilt ham.
Og det her er så facade, som I kan se. Og den er designet af en, der hedder Bernini. Og det er hele pladsen ude foran os. Det hele er holdt op i 8 søjler og 4 pedestaler.
Sometimes I lay under the moon. I thank God I'm breathing. And I pray, don't take me soon.
Stare anche Pietro. Erano quelli giorni degli attimi. Lo fece catturare e lo gettò in carcere, consegnandolo in custodia a 4 picchetti di 4 soldati ciascuno.
heels, so far away from real in California. We watched the sunset from our car, we all took it in, and by the time that it was dark, you and me had something, yeah. And if this is what we've got, then what we've got is gold. We're shining bright and I want you to know the morning's on its way. Our friends will say goodbye, there's nowhere else to go. I hope that you'll stay the night. Mixing vodka with caffeine, we got strangers stopping by, and though you're out of tune, girl, you blow my mind, you do. And all I say is I don't wanna say goodnight. If there's no quiet corner to get to know each other, then there's no hurry, I'm a patient man, as you'll discover. Cause if this is what we've got, the what we've got is gold. We're shining bright and I want you to know the morning's on its way. Our friends will say goodbye.
Ja, de fleste af de indbyggere, eller bygninger, der blev udgravet, blev først bygget i første halvdel af det andet århundrede. Som sagt, så er der har faktisk været ret mange slaver. Udover de 75.000 indbyggere, så var der faktisk 17.000 slaver.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. So
fordi det var et tegn på fjendtlighed og kunne ikke accepteres. Som da Halvdan blev tronet, der gjorde han sit første skridt og sænkte skatten for at sikre sig, at folket var med ham, og det gav ham en stor hus. Halvdan var der til at sikre sin krone.
I gotta find my way back to summer paradise. John Paul Simple Plan.
My heart is sinking as I'm lifting up above the clouds away from you. And I can't believe I'm leaving. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But someday I will find my way back to where your name is written in the sand. Staying in my brain, 'cause I remember every sunset, I remember every word you said, and we were never gonna say goodbye. Yeah. Singing la da 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 da, tell me how to get back to summer paradise with you. And I'll be there in a heartbeat. Quick time, girl. Oh, I'll be there in a heartbeat. My soul is broken, streets are frozen. I can't stop these feelings melting through. And I'd give away 1,000 days, oh, just to have another one with you. Baby girl, where real life can wait. It can wait. We're crashing like waves. Yeah. We're playing in the sand. Me and you, girl. Holding your hand. Yeah. 'Cause I remember every sunset. What I remember every word you said. And we were never gonna say goodbye. Singing la da 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 da. Tell me how to get back to summer paradise with you. And I'll be there in a heartbeat. Quick time, girl. Oh, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Quick time, girl. Oh, because me sit down in the tour bus and breeze, thinking about the sunshine on the trees, summertime on the beach. So fine, and you know so that me have my main squeeze. Baby girl, you really got what me need. Real fast, we will get there anytime that you need. In a heartbeat, girl, sex on the beach. Just say the word SP, I go reach. Loving in peace, put it back for repeat. Someday I will find my way back to where your name is written in the sand. Bring it back.